In 2011, a French father made his entire family disappear, then vanished himself without a trace. Xavier Dupont de Ligonnès seemed like the perfect family man. Wife, 4 kids, nice house. But Xavier had a dark secret. He was drowning in debt and obsessed with American survival culture. One night he snapped. He murdered his wife and all 4 children, then buried them under his own terrace. But Xavier wasn't done. He had planned everything perfectly. He sent fake letters to neighbors saying the family was entering witness protection. He researched burial techniques online, bought lime and cement to hide the bodies. For weeks he sent emails pretending to be his dead wife, making everyone believe they were alive and safe. When relatives couldn't reach the family, police discovered the horrific truth. Xavier had vanished completely. France launched their biggest manhunt ever. 26 countries joined the search. Facial recognition technology. Hundreds of sightings. 12 years later, Xavier Dupont de Ligonnès has never been found. He's still out there somewhere.